Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Steam. We'll cover everything from purchasing and installation to linking your Ubisoft account and diving into your first match. This guide aims to provide a clear, step-by-step walkthrough, ensuring you can quickly join the action and enjoy this intense tactical shooter. We will explore the initial setup and then move into understanding the core gameplay elements. To start, open your Steam client and head to the store. Search for Rainbow Six Siege and choose the edition you wish to play. There are often free access options available. Once selected, click Add to Cart or Play Game and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase or add it to your library. The game will then begin downloading and installing directly to your computer, typically requiring several gigabytes of space. After installation, launch Rainbow Six Siege from your Steam library. A crucial step is linking your Ubisoft account, which will prompt a pop-up window. You'll need to log in with your existing Ubisoft account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Confirming this link establishes the connection between Steam and Ubisoft Connect, allowing you to fully access and play the game, including all your progress and friends. Once in the game, I recommend starting with situations or training modes to grasp the fundamental mechanics and operator abilities. When ready, jump into Quick Match for 5 versus 5 player versus player action. You'll alternate between attacking objectives, such as defusing a bomb and defending areas. Remember to leverage your chosen operator's unique gadgets and the game's destructible environments for tactical advantage, aiming for strategic victories in each round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.